Hey traders! In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to paper trade on TradingView, step by step. If you're a beginner or just want to practice without using real money, paper trading is the perfect way to build your skills. For this tutorial, we're going to start by selecting the 15-minute time frame. Our trading asset will be gold US dollar. So first, make sure you select gold and set your chart to the 15-minute time frame. Next, go down to the trading panel at the bottom of your screen. Here, you'll see a list of different brokerages you can connect to. But for this tutorial, we're going to use paper trading, which is TradingView's own simulator for practicing trades without real money. Click on Paper Trading, then click Connect. Once it's connected, you can now minimize the panel if you want, and you're ready to start paper trading. If you click on Paper Trading again, you'll see some important details. Your account balance, unrealized profit and loss, available funds, realized profit and loss, and your equity. Remember, this is a free demo account, meaning you're not using real money. Once you've checked it out, you can minimize it back down. Now let's go ahead and take a trade. It's very simple. Click on Trade. You'll see two big buttons here, Buy and Sell. You'll also notice two types of order options, Market Order and Limit Order. Let's start with Market Order. In a market order, the trade activates immediately once you click Buy or Sell at the current market price. So let's say you want to buy. First, you select the number of units you want to buy. For example, I'll type in 10 units. Now, click Buy. You can see the market order has been executed instantly on gold. We're now live in the trade. You might notice that we are either in a slight loss or profit right away. That's completely normal. Next, let's set our stop loss and take profit. To set a stop loss, just drag the stop loss line below your entry point and click Modify. To set a take profit, drag the take profit above your entry point and click Modify. And that's it. You're now properly managing your risk on this trade. If you want to close the trade, simply click the Close button right here and confirm by clicking Close again. The trade will exit immediately. Now, let's talk about limit orders. A limit order is a type of order where you choose the exact price you want to buy or sell, instead of buying immediately at the current price. For example, let's say you want to buy gold when the price drops down to 3,320. You simply enter 3,320 in the price field. Select the number of units, let's say 5 units, then click Buy. Notice, because it's a limit order, the trade is not active yet. It will only activate if the market price comes down and touches 3,320. If you change your mind and want to cancel this pending order, just click Cancel Order and then Yes to confirm. Now for a sell limit order, let's say you want to sell gold when it moves up to 3,340. You'll enter 3,340 in the price field. Choose your number of units, like 10 units, then click Sell. Again, because it's a limit order, you're waiting for the market to reach that price before the trade gets activated. You can also cancel this pending sell limit the same way. Click Cancel Order and confirm. Finally, let's go back to market order, but this time for a sell position. If you want to enter sell position instantly, you just choose the number of units, for example 5 units, then click Sell. The sell trade is immediately executed at the current market price. Same thing as before. Drag your stop loss line above the entry point and click Modify. Drag your take profit line below the entry point and click Modify. If you want to close this sell trade, just click Close Position, and it will immediately exit the trade. And that's it. Now you know how to buy and sell using market orders and limit orders on TradingView paper trading. This is the safest and smartest way to practice trading. Zero risk, real-time data. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below with any questions you have. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.